Hey data practitioners, do you feel like your team's bandwidth is a bit strained? Work keeps piling up and you can't get to the data that you need? Your data governance is a bit of an afterthought and your team's diverse set of skills don't necessarily match the tools that you're using? Bit of a mouthful, I know, but stay tuned, we got you covered.
Join us for a webinar on April 26th on data productivity for the enterprise, which is all about, enterprise connectivity, data governance, and high and low code productivity.
Hey, as Malzer says, it's about SAP, it's about DBT, it's all the TLAs. We got all that coming in this webinar. Gonna be hugely exciting, and yeah, hopefully you'll be able to join us.
Like Kieran said, you're not going to want to miss it. Tune in April 26th to learn how you can increase your data productivity, more acronyms, and all of that good stuff.
Oh, you want to do that? Yeah, okay.